123,000 years.
The Philippines was
Yes,
123,000 years.
I guess.
So you're 123,000 years also?
No. It's it's she's
Ano
wait. She's
Ano?
she is panganaking first before me.
Panganak.
Yes.
Panganak.
She was
Born.
born before you.
She was
before.
born
Ah, yes.
before
She
me.
was born before you. So how old is she now?
13 years old.
13?
Yes.
Who?
How old are you?
12.
You're 12.
So we are 1 year's gap.
1 year.
1 year gap.
Ah, you have a 1 year
1 year.
You have a 1 year gap. So,
That's my brother. That's my brother.
Oh.
That's the Philippines.
that's your brother, but
No. I don't have brother 1 year up gap.
No, 2.
No, two.
2 years gap.
Yes.
But you're using the pronouns she. And then,
No, I
yet
said
you
he.
brother.
He. I said he.
She, sabi mo she may video.
Ano? No, my little cousin.
Ah, your little cousin. You have a cousin older than you?
Yes.
But why did you
Sino?
say
Eh, di
little?
si Mika yun.
Why did you say little? Why did you say little cousin?
No, I said my cousin.
You said little
Big cousin, big
Big cousin.
No, because she's so small.
Ano masasabi mo, Mika?
She's so small. You're so confusing me right now, ha? Mga baliw. You're so confusing me. You said first little cousin, and now she's your big cousin.
No, I mean her height is little.
Ah, her height is little.
And she's so grown up.
She's so grown up. How old is she?
How old are you?
How old are you?
Oh my God, she's old. Maybe 14, like I said. Like
15.
15. No, I
15.
forgot.
Are you already 15?
Ah, so
years
it's 3 years gap.
old? 3 years gaps.
Yes.
There's a lot of S right there, no?
I'm sorry, I forgot. Maybe we should cut this because I'm born in Philippines. Not in US.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm
Did I
nose
bother you?
bleeding.
Did I bother
Ay,
you?
nose
Yes,
bleeding.
I'm nose bleeding now.
You're nose bleeding. You're nose bleeding. Okay, nice to meet you, nose
No,
bleeding.
I mean my nose is bleeding.
Your nose is bleeding. You should be more construct with your grammar.
I
can't
forgot.
understand you.
Because I don't know.
I don't know.
Yes.
What is it that you don't know?
I said we should stop this na because we're in the Philippines,
We're in the Philippines.
not in the US.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's right. Say sorry to me.
I'm sorry.
Because you bother me.
I'm bothering you. I'm bothering you.
You bothering me.
Am I that annoying?
Yeah, super. Because I don't like speaking English.
You don't like speaking English.
Yes,
But
because
why are you talking to me in English?
my nose is bleeding.